YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Concise the Barber, and we are back with another video. In this video, I just left the CT Barber Expo, and I definitely feel like this is something y'all all been waiting on. So let's go ahead and talk about the Nightshade High Vis by Wahl. Let's get into this video.
CTB, you know who it is.
All right, so in this video, this is just the unboxing. This is not the concise review. I will do that within a week and a half, 2 weeks, and let you guys know, the real ins and out about this Nightshade all black high vis. But I do want to let you guys know at CT Barber Expo, these were going for $200, and honestly, it wasn't that far from the original price of the silver one. So that to me wasn't a bad price. And at the time, I think they just had a limited drop. So I'm lucky to get one. Shout out to Wahl for allowing me to be one of the purchases. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. I will tell you just a few specs about it, but you'll get more in a concise review. So we're gonna open this thing up, and honestly, y'all, this thing is beautiful. Look at this. This thing is nice. It has this little plastic piece on it. When I do the concise review, I'm not putting that back on. Okay. But I'll put this on. But anyway, this is the new high vis. It feels good, I'll be honest. This is the new blade. As you notice, this blade is different. The silver blade was, I believe, more of a shallow tooth. This is a deep tooth blade, which this is going to allow us to be able to debulk and also give out some sharp lines. So let me go ahead and turn this thing on. It sounds like they some hitters. Oh, these sound good. It looks like the same exact type of blade, other than the fact that it's just deep tooth. How these came, it looks like they came straight out of the box, completely zero gap. Like, there is nothing you need to do with this blade. And that's honestly how I like my blades to come, to the point that I don't even have to do anything with them. But let's see what else comes in here. So this was on this. So as y'all see this right here, right? Under this, comes the charging dock and the warranty and all of that jazz. So I'm gonna put that back. And then within this area, I think you're gonna find hopefully premium guards and a comb. No, not premium guards, this is a trimmer, I'm bugging. Okay, so you get a brush, the adapter. It comes with that charging piece. So if you guys do have the 3 power station set from Wahl, you can just switch that out, or you can just put on the charging dock. This is outlet. This is the zero gap blade setter if you want to set it. Me personally, I never set none of my high vises, so I have no need to it. But this is it, y'all. It feels good in hand. It actually, I love the matte of it. And I just can't wait to cut. Honestly, I might call somebody right now. But high vis 2.0. I can't wait. Let me know in the comment section if you guys, what do you guys think about these high vises, the all black one. It does come USB-C as well with the charging port. I like that. Nice touches. So let me tell you just a little bit of the specs. So 7,200 RPMs. It has 135-minute runtime, which is 2 hours and 15 minutes of a runtime. And it has a 45-minute charge time. So that's not bad, honestly. 45-minute charge time, 2 hours and 15 minutes of a runtime. So that's what y'all get with these Wahl high vises, all black. I couldn't wait for these. So make sure y'all be on the lookout for the concise review. I will be working on that, and I'm gonna let y'all know my real deep, in-depth thoughts on this trimmer. Y'all already know how I feel about the silver ones. Let's see how these match up to it. So thank y'all for watching this video about the high vis. I'll see y'all on the next one.
CTB, you know who it is.